Hey there, Shinky here, bringing you the latest in tech and AI. Today we're diving into some groundbreaking updates in robotics and AI. First up, Artidrone is revolutionizing stroke treatment with micro-robots that navigate blood vessels to remove clots, potentially reducing invasive procedures and improving patient outcomes. Now, let's talk about Mecha King, the world's first full-sized humanoid robot fighting championship happening in Shenzhen this December. Organized by Engine AI, this event is more than just entertainment. It's a real-world test of AI precision and agility, pushing the boundaries of robotics. These competitions could shape the future of robots in healthcare, manufacturing, and beyond. In agriculture, Jyoesh AI Solutions is transforming India's cotton farming with robotics and AI, enhancing yields and sustainability. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is making waves with updates for humanoid robotics, allowing robots to learn and adapt more efficiently. And in a major shift, the Open Source Robotics Foundation is sunsetting ROS 1, paving the way for ROS 2. This new platform offers improved security, real-time capabilities, and better performance on edge devices, marking a leap forward for robotics. Finally, if you're in sales, meet Ava, our AI BDR. She tracks intent signals and triggers outreach when prospects are ready to buy, freeing up your team for high-value interactions. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, keep exploring the world of AI with us.